Guys, so today we are playing Lick for Brain Rots. In this game, you have to lick for brain rots, bro. This game is so funny, bro. See the tongue, bro. Actually, I'll gain power now. Yeah, yes, I will do it. Walk to the speed shop. Okay. Upgrade your speed. Okay, I'll upgrade it. Upgrade it. Upgrade it. Okay. Okay. Now I will play the game. कुछ तो कराया था. Okay, 100% perfect. What will I get? What will I get? I got 50k per second. Tortughini Dragon Fruitini. Bro, see my money. Bro, see my money. I am earning money, bro. I just got something like Tortughini Dragon Fruitini. I don't know. I cannot see the odds. I have how much money now? Mangolini Parochi. What? Epic. 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 I I don't know, bro. First of all, I'll buy this 5 million wala lavali cup. Bro, I could hear everything. Every single thing. Bro, bro, हैं? ऐसा पीछे 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 बेटा पीछे बैठा. I'll buy stuff. Now this lava tongue. Now I click up with this lava tongue. Now I will be amazingly okay. I will go up to here. Okay. See, I will see what I will get. I will get an. I will get an. I will get swag soda. Rare. I got swag soda. Rare. It's 2.7k. I don't need that, bro. I will either die. कहाँ से लिखने हैं? एसएसटी की बुक की फर्स्ट पेज पे लिख रखे हैं मैंने सारे. और तो ज्यादा दिमाग खराब हो रखा है आपका भी. I'll lick. Okay, perfect lick. Please give me something. Please give me something good. Please give me something good like Tofurgini, Dragon Grogini. What I will get? I got a bamboo sahur common. Nah, bro, that's not good at all. I'll die. Bamboo sahur is not good at all. Bro, Tortuguini is seriously crazy, bro. I got the fullest I could get something good. 3k plus second, I don't like. Oh, noob cactus, why, bro? I don't need noob cactuses. I am getting noob cactus. What should I do? I don't know, bro. I got 25. I have 23 million money, so I'll just buy a good lick. I will buy this 15 million plant tongue. You can also buy time. You could also buy pets. There's a spin wheel. I will spin. No, I cannot. I have 6,000 now, so I'll lick it. No, no, I will not. I will not do Robux. I will not do Robux. Okay, I will not do Robux. Bro, why I'm getting these all common swaggy, bro? Toxic tongue? 1.3 million wali. Should I do this random brain dot? Nah, 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 it would be unfair. Nah, I will not. I will not. Nothing, nothing. I was saying, could I do this like random brain dot? I said, nah, it would be cheating. I amazingly cocker. Amazingly. Bro, why I'm not getting anything, bro? Pachetto Pachetti. I got. Who is this Pachetto Pachetti? I need to die again and again, again and again. I need to die to get something good. This is not my levels, bro. Oh, okay, 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 okay. I could get something good from this. I could get something good from this. Tortugini Dragon Fruitini. Let's go. Bro, it's luck, bro. It's luck. Bro. So crazy, man. FR, bro. FR, FR. For real, bro. For real. Amazing leak. Okay, if you see the red, okay, this will be nothing because it is the 10,000. Yeah, nothing much. Now I'll do my league power up to 50,000. I think is 50,000 good. I'll do leaking. It doesn't. No gifting allowed. First of all, saying no gifting allowed from your brother's account or if somebody gifts you. No gifting allowed. Yeah. No gifting, not from your brother's account, not from any. Or, guys, I'll do 25 league power first, then I'll see you. Guys, I came back 25,000 league power as I promised. I'll buy another league thing. I'll grind the league power until I get another league thing. The league up. I have the lava leak up, bro. I have the lava leak up. You were saying what I leak up I got. I have the lava leak. 30,000 leak power I got. Okay, good. Okay, guys. Now I can buy another one. I got the hack and leak power. I got the amazing. Okay. I will send my stuff. Okay, it has reached another. I'm getting something. I'm getting something. I'm getting something. 2x luck thunder. Okay, okay. I'm getting something, bro. I'm getting something. I'm getting something. 2x luck once again. Bro, I'm getting something, bro. I'm telling you, bro. Bro. Epic brain rot. Nah. Mangolini Parocini epic. 63,000. I am bringing. I level up this. I level up this Mangolini Chaprocini. I'll send it. Yeah, bro, it's actually hard. Okay, it is the red one. I could literally get something, or I could not. Oh, bonus says three for jackpot. Bonus says three for jackpot. Into 2 lakh. Okay. Okay, 12 soda. Nah. I will go into the tsunami. Bro, I will go into this. I have to bring up my league power up to 40,000 now. I have 300 per second. Yeah, I can leak up. Bro, why am I not leak up? Bro, why I am not rebirthing actually? Why I am not rebirthing, bro? Bro, you could rebirth in this game. Bro, you could rebirth. I forgot we can rebirth in this game, bro. I rebirthed twice. I'll rebirth again. I'll rebirth again. Now I am rebirth 3, bro. Shit, bro. My power is actually zero. My power is zero. Now I have to trade my power. Guys, I will not bore you up with this thing. I will meet you when I am up to like 30, 40,000 power. Welcome back, guys. I am came back. Now I said 30 to 40,000 power. I am 52,000 power, and I in the meanwhile I got 6 7 tongue as well. 6 7. Now I will run fast. Now I will do everything fast. Amazing. Okay, amazing. How far can I send it? Okay. It is the yellow one. I'm getting nothing. I straight run into lava. Even though whatever it is. What did I know? And now I'll lick again to the perfect mark. But I got the good mark. It will not even reach good, bro. Okay, it is the red one. Okay, but it is the red one. Mangolini Parocini. Mangolini Parocini. Yes. It's good. Epic. I got Mangolini Chaprocini. I'll upgrade this with 350 million. Okay, okay, perfect, perfect. Okay, perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay, 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 okay. Let's see. Red one, okay. It could be an epic. It could be an epic. It could be an epic. Okay, okay. Nice. The rare one, Skibidi toilet. What will I get? Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Nothing. A piece of good shit. If this is a piece of good shit. No, 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 bro. No helps. Bro, why you taking help, bro? Okay, that's good. You will not take help, but you can do it up to, you can do whatever, but you cannot take help from somebody. Not gifting, not something. What will I get, bro? I'm getting literally nothing. Swag soda, bro. Bro, this swag soda have no swag, bro. Bro, FR, bro. FR. I will buy 1 billion. Wallet. This I will buy for 1 billion. Oh, I already have it. Okay. Then what were you trying to do then? Brother, I am thinking what I were thinking. Think. Okay, I am up to like 80,000 power. Less. 90,000 power. Okay, that's good. Can I, can, can I do the can I do the super league? 2x luck, okay, 2x luck, okay, 2x luck, 2x luck, 2x luck, 2x luck, 2x luck, and I got the Calculino from the worst game ever, Survive Lava for Brain Rots. Calculina. What, bro? Oh, that's cool. Arey, why I'm getting this? Oh, why I'm getting this bad thing, Calculina? Why I'm getting this Calculina? I'll go up to 150k power. Once okay, 140k power. Million? Yeah, billion yeah, million. Billion or million? Oh, good. I have 2 billion. I'll buy this. I will buy this. The angel one. The angel thing. I have angel. Now I can rebut, but first of all, I'll do a couple of licks to see what can I get with the 150k power I have. How, bro? You have something like yin yang, like how much does it cost? How much? My my leak cost. Okay, you are one less than me. My leak is 6 7 leak. Now I need to do some leaks. My power got away. I will leak up. I will leak up. Guys, I don't want to bore you. So I'll meet you when I am at like 150k power. Okay. So guys, I am back. I said 150k leak power, but I am at 216k leak power. Guys, I'm just too grindy. And now I will get the Priyan's two better thing like this transparent lick tongue. Amazing. Okay. Okay, now I am ahead. I need to do like 250k power, bro. It's nothing. I'll do, guys, 250k power. You can get bored as well as me for some time, please. Well, okay, 250k leak power I'm at. Perfect. Okay, I got perfect. Okay, now I'm at the volcano biome. Bro, what am I am getting, bro? Calculino. This is BULLSHIT. Bro, I need to train up to like 300k leak per hour, bro. This is nothing. Should I buy two? How, bro? 3x leak power. Okay, perfect. 300k leak power. Okay, perfect. And I got volcano. 8x left. 8x left. 8x left. And what I got? Toilet. I got skibidi toilet. Skibidi. 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 हाँ, rare है. Oh, okay, good. Bro. Bro, why I'm hitting? I'm trying to hit amazing, but I get perfect always. That's I can. I, I I'm just too good, guys. I am okay. 75k Botlini 75k. That's good. I got seven, I got 75. 837 is super good, bro. Good, bro. Good, bro. Good. Good. My best is giving 650k. But my best will change now in a few time. Okay, I'll level this. So bye guys.